everyone, what is up? My name is Yall. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you did not know, now you do. Hey you guys, what's up? So in today's video, y'all, I have two mini unboxings. One item is from Longchamp. It is a handbag, sort of, and I purchased it from the freestanding Longchamp store in my city. And then the other item is from Fendi, but I purchased it through matchesfashion.com. This is the first time I have ever used that platform, if I'm not mistaken, and so I guess I can talk about the experience a little later on in the video. Now, let me get the elephant out of the room, or talk about the elephant in the room. I don't have my braids anymore. Had to take them out. I was so used to having short hair that when I put the braids on, they were extremely heavy. I love braids on me, but I think I just needed more time to acclimate. So I kept them on for, I want to say 5 weeks, which they could have lasted a little bit longer, but I just could not deal with the weight. And so the next time that I go to get braids, which is in a few days or a few weeks from now, I at least know, I guess, the difference. But I think I've been so used to being bald and having short hair that when I got the braids in, my neck was really, there was a strain on it, y'all. And so the Afro puff is out, and it's going to be out for a few more uploads. Okay, but with that being said, let's get right into the unboxings. I'm going to start with the Fendi item because it is an accessory, and I'm saving the Longchamp bag for later. Now, I was influenced by this item, semi-influenced, because I wanted something similar to these. I've been looking for a pair of these for a while. I have not been able to find them. Either they are sold out, or I just can't find a pair that matches, I guess, my frame and my face. And so with that being said, they are sunglasses. But, on that search, I landed on Aaliyah Faces. I love Aaliyah, you guys. But she did a short with an outfit, and these sunglasses were in one of the shorts, or in the short of that outfit. And I was like, oh girl, I'm gonna buy it, I'm gonna put it in the cart, and it's gonna be delivered to me immediately. This is the box that they came in, and I already opened them because it technically came in this box, you guys, and this box was in a bigger box, and I did not remember that I purchased these. So you guys may think I'm crazy, but if I don't get notifications about things that I buy, and I don't get updates, and like 2 weeks pass, my memory is crap. And so I got a package. It had a weird name on it. It didn't have matches, or I didn't read matches, or there was a smudge or something. So I'm like, what did I order? And when I opened it, it was this box, and this has no logoing branding on it that says matches, except when you open it like this. And so when I opened it like this, I saw that it was the Fendi box, and I was like, oh. And at that point I was like, well, I'm not gonna not open it. I've already unboxed almost everything. I might as well look at them and try them on. And so I did. And so it came with your little dust wiper. It came with an authentication card. And I don't know if all Fendi items come with this, but this is really cool. This is like a credit card. I need to swipe it, and hopefully Fendi's money or bank account is connected to it. But it just says that you have an authentic item from Fendi, and then it came with this little bag pouch, and I think this is really cool. I've never seen a sunglass pouch like this. It has a little clasp here that you can clip on to the inside of your purse, or if you have like a belt loop and you want it on your side, it's a drawstring. And the interesting thing about this is that it is soft, but it does have like it's puffered, it's buffered. So even if your glasses are in here, that's a complaint I have for many sunglasses and the cases I own, is that you either have the hard or the one that's basically like a little rag, and it doesn't really protect your sunglasses at all. But this is something in between hard and soft, more leaning on the soft side. And so enough talking. These are these sunglasses, y'all. And you might see these and think they are ridiculous. That is perfectly fine. They do not go with the outfit that I'm wearing right now, nor how I'm like styled right now, but what I have envisioned in my head with these is going to look amazing. And so this is what they look like. It has Fendi written on the side, I believe on each side. It's gold with a pink lens It's very transparent. You can see my eyeballs, but it is a pink haze, I guess, or hue. This is, like I said, very retro. And when you're comparing it to the bag or even the wipe or the box or anything, I think of the stereotypical Fendi print. But this one, it reminds me, I don't know, like a little bit older 70s TV type of game show writing font. And I really like it. And so my imagination for this is that I will have long hair. Doesn't matter if it's an afro, doesn't matter if it's braids, wig, whatever. It'll be longer than it is now, maybe pulled back of some sort. I will have big gold hoop earrings. I'll have like a white wife beater on. I'll have on some nice shorts, and then I'll have some nice pink-ish shoes. I think would go perfect with these. I like that this trend, and I feel like I'm one of those old people when I was younger, and people are like, back in my younger days, I used to do that. And that's me now with the kids that are getting into the Y2K trend. The Y2K trend is sort of my childhood. And so these sort of give me Y2K vibes because this is something that my mom would wear when I was like a little kid, and I'm happy about that. So this is probably the only pair of sunglasses I will ever purchase like this. I love aviators, I love pink, I love gold, I love all these things, but where something is so sheer, this will probably be the only pair that I'll purchase. That's why I tried to find something that I love. I went to Bottega, I went to Saint Laurent, I went to Cartier, you guys, as well, but I didn't know, take these off for a second, let me real talk for you. I did not know that Cartier sunglasses were so expensive. I was trying them on like nothing. They had a pair that were not similar, but in that same category as these, where you could see my eyes. They were very sheer, beautiful, gold framed, all the things. And I went to look at the price tag. I think they were 900 something euros. I almost fainted. I was like, what? I'm crazy, but I'm not 900 euros crazy, almost $1,000 crazy to buy sunglasses that expensive. The next item that I purchased, like I stated, was from Longchamp, and it was from the actual boutique. I went in there, I kid you not, like 10 to 20 minutes before they closed, you guys, and I knew what I was looking for. I went earlier and I tried out different colors, and then I went in last minute and I was like, I want the bag, because sometimes it's very hard to find these bags, especially certain colors in stock online, and certain stores do have them, don't have them. So when I saw that they had both of the colors that I was looking for, I was like, oh, I'm most likely gonna get one. So I bought it at 7:50 p.m. The place closed at 8 p.m. and it is a pink color. I've been wanting a pink bag for a while, and my issue right now is that my purse collection that I have is split between Florida and Germany, and half of my bags are not with me. And so I, first and foremost, do not have a small bag, and I do not have a pink bag. I have small bags, like not as small as this one. I do have small bags though, but I don't have any here. So I needed something that I could just, especially in these hot months right now, because carrying a heavy big bag is not fun for me, especially when I start sweating and stuff. I just needed something that fit my daily essentials, my phone, maybe like a lip liner, lipstick, card holder, and I don't know, something else that's small that can fit in there as well. I just needed something, maybe my AirPods, and that was it. And that's what I got this for. Now, I've purchased many things from Longchamp, as some of you guys know, and I've never gotten a box like this for a bag. I got it for my wallet, but not for a bag. And you open it like this. It has a little tab, and then it comes with a nice cute dust bag that says Longchamp on it, and you open it up, and inside is the Longchamp Epure, I don't know the pronunciation, you guys, and I'm not going to get on here and pretend like I do. Y'all know, I'll put a picture from the website so you can see. And so it is the Epure crossbody bag from Longchamp, and I believe the color is very basic and just called pink. It's in leather. I think it's cowhide, and the interior is also like raw cowhide, if I'm not mistaken. And I was honestly between this color and the more fuchsia leaning pink. I tried both of them on in the store, and I think I like the fuchsia one, the darker one, a little bit more, but the issue is that I don't wear those colors, those types of dark, vibrant colors as often as I do these pastel baby colors. And so even though I thought the color was more interesting and more fun, I knew that this color would get more use. And I'm really trying to buy things that I know I will use more. I mean, I might buy the other one, you guys. I don't have a bag like that. There's a reason though, because I like those things, but I never wear them. And so maybe I won't, but maybe I will. You never know. I think they're a fun way to add like a little pop of color. But yeah, this is a fun rendition or play on the lait pliage, because this leather like strap, not strap, but flap here is the same flap that they use for the Longchamp lait pliage original bags. And so the whole bag is just made out of that leather material, and it's a little crossbody bag. The strap is a full leather crossbody strap. It has 5 little holes where you can adjust the length of it. It's not the longest bag, but like I said, easy crossbody. That's all you need. You cannot get rid of the straps. They are completely connected. So if you wanted to wear this as, or not wear it, if you wanted to use this as, let's say, a pochette of some sort, or like some type of accessory that you could put your stuff in and then put this in another bag, you would have to do that with the straps. You can't take it apart and use this by itself without the strap, which I didn't buy it for that, so I'm okay with that. And then it's just one open pit on the inside, and here in the flap is a card holder that you can fit a few cards in. And actually with this bag, even though it's so tiny, I don't know if the glasses, oh yeah, they can, wow. You can fit a lot in there. Like I said, this case is very puffy for the sunglasses, but you can fit the sunglasses in there. I could fit my phone in there. I have an iPhone 13 Pro. I could fit, like, there's so much, you know. I have a lip liner. I'm trying to think of what else. Let's say that this was like my card holder, all these things. I don't have any of my stuff with me, and I still have space in there to put more. So even though it's very small, it holds a lot. And like I said, I just needed something really small, really cute, really colorful, that added a pop, and I think this was a nice little way to do so. I've been looking at these for a while now because they're new. I technically wanted the little coin purse, but when I saw it in person, it's way too short and it doesn't really hold a lot. I thought I would be able to fit at least like my AirPods, lipstick, and some money, and like my card holder, but I can't. It's a little bit smaller than that. But this, it's different than what I thought it would be looking at it on the website. And so I don't know, we'll see. I'll wear it a few times, see if I like it, and if I really love it, because it seems to be very useful. If I'm being completely honest with you guys, it seems really cool. And on this little girls trip that I'm taking, if I use it as much as I think I'm going to, I might buy it in a few other colors. And so yeah, very cute. I love it so much. I like it so much. If you guys have any questions about this, like I said, I haven't seen too many reviews. I think there's like 4 videos out there about this bag, people reviewing the bag. And so if you have any questions about it, you're thinking about it, you want to know more information about it, let me know. I probably will not do a like what fits in my bag or any type of review on this bag, because y'all, what is there to show? What, literally, that's the bag. Like, there's nothing nothing for me to show you. That's the bag, and it is what it is. It was 250 euros, and I think it's $290 in the United States. The bright pink version, though, in the United States is on sale for $200, if I'm not mistaken, which I'm thinking if I should just buy it, ship it to the United States, and then when I get there, have a nice little present waiting for me. Don't know. Those were the items, you guys. You can let me know if you like them. Some of them might not be for you. I have a very interesting taste. That's perfectly fine. I know it might not be for everyone, but I enjoy sharing these things with you guys, and I hope that you enjoyed it. So love y'all. Have a wonderful day, and bye.